How to freeze a frame on CapCut. What is up everyone? Welcome to the video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through a step-by-step guide on how you can easily freeze a frame on CapCut. But before we get started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our new uploads. Now let's get right into it. So here I have a video, so I'm just going to import it. So here I'm just going to import this video right here, and as you can see, the video has been imported. So if I start playing it, you can see the video plays pretty smoothly. So the first thing that you want to do here is select the part of the video where you want to freeze it. And once you find the part of the video that you want to freeze, all you need to do is, so for example, if I want to freeze right here where this pink car is on the front, I'm just going to click on the video and you will see different options on the navigation bar. Like you can split it, you can delete the left part of the video, delete the right part, and finally you will see this option right here that is a rectangle between two lines. This is the freeze option. You can just click on this one, and here another window will pop up, another slide. You can just put it in between these. Now if I just play it, this part of the video will be frozen like this, where the pink car is up front, and now it will get started again. You can adjust the length of your frozen video. So let's say if I just want it to freeze for 5 seconds, I'm just going to select it 5 seconds like this. And now if I play it, it will be frozen for 5 seconds. And after that, the video will continue like this. And it's as easy as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.